Good morning, everyone. Let's continue the class. As you know that our chapter Notepad is going on. So let's continue the chapter. First, we have to open Notepad. I hope now you all are aware how you can open Notepad. As you know that Notepad is in accessories folder. So we have to click on accessories and then we have to select Notepad. This is the Notepad window. In the previous class, we learned how to cut, copy, and paste the selected text. So let's quickly revise all these three things in this class and then we will continue our new class. This is the matter which I have written for you. So let's quickly revise all these three commands that are cut, copy, and paste. First, we have to select the matter which we want to cut from its original location. Just suppose I want this text. So first I have to select it and then I have to move edit menu and then choose cut command. First selection is there. As I told you that this blue area indicates that our matter is selected, and then move to edit menu and then choose cut option. Now you can see that our selected matter is cut, and then place your cursor where you want to paste your cut matter and then move to edit menu and then choose paste option. Now you can see that our cut matter is here. It is removed from its original place and now it is pasted on new location. Now we are going to revise copy option. First, we have to select the matter which we want to copy and then edit menu and then choose copy option. And then we have to move our cursor on the desired place and then place and then use paste option from edit menu. Now you can see that our original text is here along with its new place. This one is our new place and this is our original text. Now you can see that both the lines are here in original place along with its new place. All these things we have done in our previous class. In this class, we will learn how we can find and replace a particular text. So let's start today's class. These two lines are here. You can see that so many times computer is a word, particular word computer is written, and I want to search this computer word in whole lines. So first we have to find a particular word computer and then we can replace it with another word. So first we have to search the particular word from the text. Your text can be one page, one paragraph, or more than 1 or 2 pages. So first we have to move edit menu and then choose find option. As you choose find option, you will get dialog box of find command and the cursor is blinking in the text box of find what command. So we have to write the particular word which we want to search from a page or text. So suppose I want to search the word computer. First I have to write the word which I want to search from the document. I want to search the word computer. First, I have to write the word computer and then click on find next button. As you click on find next option, you will find the written word in your document like this. This blue area indicates that our particular word that which we have written in find what text box is find. And then next, then find next. Now the message is here, cannot find computer. It means that computer word is find by the notepad. Then click OK. Now we are going to learn let's learn to replace a particular word with another word. So first we have to click on replace option, and then as you click on replace option, you will find the replace command with two text box. In first text box, find what is here, and in second text box, replace with text box is here. In find what, we have to write which we want to find, which we want to find. It means the particular word or text. And in replace with, we have to write the new word. So I want to search computer word and replaced it with it. It means I want that computer is replaced with it. If you read the lines, you will find that computer is written in so many times. So I want to replace computer with it. So first I have to click on find next like this. You can see that find next option will provide us the computer word in the whole document. Now the searching is finished. Click on OK, and then we have to replace all the computer words in it. First, we have two options, replace and replace all. If you want to replace the particular word with new word one by one, you have to choose replace like this. Now you can see the changes. The word computer is replaced with it like this. Now we have the message that cannot find computer. It means our all the word computer word is replaced with it. Now I'm going to tell you how you can replace a word in a single click. Now let's learn how you can replace the word in a single click. First, move towards edit menu and then choose replace command. Replace dialog box will open in front of you, and then we have to write the text or word which we want to replace, and in replace with text box we have to write the new word. Now click on replace all. As you click on replace all button, you will find that all the computer words are replaced with the particular word that is replaced, that is it. Click on replace all. Now you can see that in single click, we have new words in place of computer, that is it. I hope everything is clear to you. Now I'm going to revise you all the two commands again. Our first command was find. So find command is available in edit menu. Click on edit menu and the shortcut key of find is Control F. Click on find. Find dialog box will appear and write the text which you want to find in your text, and then click on find next button. You will find the particular word in your whole document, and at the last you will get the message cannot find computer. It means that searching is complete. Then we learn how to replace the particular word. Click on edit menu and then choose replace option. Shortcut key of replace is Ctrl+H. It means with the help of keyboard shortcut, that is Ctrl+H, you can use replace command. As you click on replace, you will find the replace dialog box. In replace with, you have to write the new word, that is it. You can write anything and you can search anything in your document. Then we learn two types of replace command. First is replace. This replace button will find this replace button will replace the text one by one, and this replace all button will replace all the searched text in single click. So first replace and then replace all. Replace all will perform like this. I hope everything is clear to you. Now let's move towards our today's classwork. Question number 1, what do you mean by find and replace command? Answer is find command. Find command is used to find any text in the document. Replace command is used to replace any search text. Second question is, write the shortcut keys of the following: cut, copy, paste, find, and replace. So these are the commands and these are the keyboard shortcuts which we can use for these commands. First is cut command, Ctrl+X, copy command, and shortcut key is Ctrl+C, paste, shortcut key is Ctrl+V, find, and shortcut key of find is Ctrl+F, replace, shortcut key of replace is Ctrl+H. This is all about today's class. I hope you all enjoyed the class. If you have any problem, you can call me. Thank you.